Are you tired of spending endless hours cleaning every week? In 2025, thousands of homeowners are switching to robot vacuums for a simpler, more efficient cleaning experience. These smart devices save you time and energy, making daily chores a breeze. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how switching can give you a cleaner home with less effort. Traditional cleaning is a tiring, never-ending task. You move heavy furniture, scrub hard to reach spots, and often miss areas no matter how hard you try. Robot vacuums use advanced sensors and smart mapping to cover every corner automatically. No more missed spots or backbreaking work. Imagine coming home to a spotless floor every day without lifting a finger. It's no wonder more people are embracing this technology. After thorough research and testing, we've narrowed it down to the top 3 robot vacuums on Amazon. Model 1 is celebrated for its powerful suction and modern, sleek design, perfect for high-traffic homes. Model 2 boasts intelligent scheduling and precise home mapping, ensuring every inch is cleaned efficiently. Model 3 is a standout for pet owners, expertly handling fur and allergens while keeping your home healthy. Each model has been selected for its unique benefits and exceptional performance, making cleaning effortless and reliable. Let's explore what makes these robot vacuums a game changer. Let's dive a little deeper into what makes these robot vacuums so impressive. They use smart navigation that adapts to your home's layout. No matter how quirky the space, every corner gets cleaned. Imagine coming home after a busy day to find your floor spotless, while the vacuum quietly does its job in the background. With automatic docking, it knows exactly when to return for a recharge and then gets right back to work. Plus, with easy smartphone control, you can set up cleaning schedules, check progress, or even focus on problem areas, all with a few taps. In short, these smart devices take care of the cleaning, so you have more time for what really matters, whether it's work, family, or just relaxing. Don't just take our word for it. Thousands of satisfied users are already experiencing the benefits of switching to a robot vacuum. Homeowners report significant time savings, improved cleanliness, and a healthier living environment. From busy professionals to families with pets, the feedback is clear. Robot vacuums offer a reliable, hands-free cleaning solution that traditional methods simply can't match. These glowing reviews show that the smart cleaning revolution is well underway, and you can be a part of it too. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and reclaim your time? Visit our website for in-depth reviews, honest comparisons, and exclusive deals on the best robot vacuums available on Amazon. Click the link in the description to discover the perfect model for your home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your everyday cleaning into a smart, effortless experience. Thanks for watching.